Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So today I'm going to tell you a story that is a constant story, and the story name is A Rabbit and the Lion. So let's move forward. Once upon a time, there was a lion who was very old and he can't hunt. So one day he goes into his cave and he decided to say something to the animals, and then he tell to all of the animals that today is the meeting at in the evening. So all the animals come, and the lion was on the cave, and he was speaking that I am very old and I am the king of the forest, but I can't hunt. So every day one animal will come into my cave and I will eat that, and if one animal will not come, so I will eat all of the animals and kill them. And so then the lion said, and everyone was talking, what should we do now and what will be happen now. So then the some days from the some few days the animals was going, and one day a rabbit think how it is happening. The lion is eating day by day one animal, and in our forest the animal is getting in categories getting low. So one day a rabbit go and he make a plan, and he go late, and he pretended that he is late. So then the lion said, you are late. What happened? Why are you late? So the rabbit said, in the way I got a lion that he was saying that I'm the king of the forest, not you, not that lion that you are going. Let me come here, I will eat you. So then the lion said that take him here, or so then the lion go to him, and then the rabbit said that he is in this well, and the shadow of the lion was seeing, and he thinks that the lion is there and he was running. So the another lion was running, it was the shadow of the lion. Then he jumped into the water, and he was fluttering, means he was doing like this, and then he got die, and everyone and every animal was celebrating that, because every animal goes to the lion day by day, and the animals was getting over. So one more videos like this, you can follow me.